Hi, come on in. I'm so glad that you stopped by. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Theresa, and this channel is all about affordable fashion for us ladies over 50. If that sounds good to you, you've come to the right place. Now, if you've ever gone shopping this time of year and every single top that you see, maybe you like the pattern, maybe you like the style, but it's sleeveless and you want to yell, "I don't wear sleeveless," and I hear you. In this video, I'm going to be sharing my personal favorites to work around that sleeveless situation. I do want to say a huge thank you to Green Chef for sponsoring this video. We'll talk about them more in just a little bit, but for now, let's look at the first way that you can be cool and comfortable and not wear sleeveless. My number one favorite way to avoid wearing sleeveless and stay cool and comfortable is with a lightweight, breathable topper that will go with all of the cute summer tops that you see, because you will be able to get the arm coverage. This is my all-time favorite, so much so that I own it in 3 colors. So I have the light wash denim, the dark wash denim, and a cream. These are an Amazon find, and these are so good. It comes in several washes. Some even have fun stud detail on the pockets, and it's 100% cotton, so it's very breathable and lightweight. It also has easy care instructions, just machine wash cold and tumble dry. I do want to recommend right off the bat that you go up 1 size from your typical size for a good fit, because in my opinion, this one runs just a tad small. Now, don't let the fact that this is described as a crop scare you, because you're going to have something on under this, so no skin will be showing anyway, and this will likely hit you at the smallest part of your natural waist, which can be quite flattering. This top is super lightweight, and it works beautifully over any sleeveless top or dress. This topper does have roll tab sleeves, which honestly are not always my favorite, because some roll tab sleeves can sometimes unfurl and look sloppy, but because this is 100% cotton and it's not a slippery fabric, it has just enough structure so that the cuffs stay in place. I want to use as an example with that topper one of my all-time favorite Walmart purchases, and I know that a ton of you have this same dress. This is that sleeveless knit dress by Temu. It is under $10. It has pockets. It's so good, you all know that. What I love about adding this topper is 2 things. One, it gives you the arm coverage that you want if you just don't do sleeveless. And 2, it defines the waist, especially with a dress like this that is a swing style. Once you have a neutral topper like this that will go with absolutely anything, you can go into any store and look at any sleeveless or short sleeve top that you might otherwise feel uncomfortable in. Pop this on top and then have that pretty print show through. I absolutely love this one, and I think you will too. Another one of my favorite ways to stay cool and comfortable without wearing sleeveless is to choose 100% cotton and lightweight fabrics. I'm especially partial to a 3/4 length sleeve because it gives just the right amount of coverage. I shared this particular top by Free Assembly in a previous video, and so many of you loved it that I wanted to show it in a second color. This one is currently on sale on the Walmart website for $18, and in my opinion, it is worth every penny. It comes in 3 colors, 2 are plaid, and then there also is a pretty light chambray, which I've really been into lately. The fabric is 100% cotton. It has super easy care instructions, just machine wash cold and tumble dry. Now, if you do intend to put this one in the dryer, I would suggest going up 1 size just to allow for any shrinkage. This top has a flattering V neckline and cute little ties on the 3/4 length sleeves, and best of all, it is lightweight and breathable. Right before I got ready to turn on the camera and start filming this video, I heard a knock at my door and my Green Chef box arrived. Let's pop into my kitchen for just a moment. I have to admit that it's a lot easier to make a trip to my kitchen than it is to the grocery store. The nearest grocery store to me personally is over half an hour away, so it is such a relief to have fresh ingredients from Green Chef already right in my fridge. Green Chef is a CCOF certified organic meal kit company that helps you cook clean, delicious meals with full color step-by-step recipe cards and pre-measured premium ingredients, which saves a ton of time in the kitchen. Today we're going to make the pesto panko chicken with mozzarella. We're going to preheat the oven, give the fresh veggies a chop, give the potatoes a quick toss, and into the oven they go. Next we mix our panko, mozzarella, oil, salt, and pepper, toss the chicken in the pre-made pesto sauce and top with the panko mixture, and pop it into the oven as well. Now we just toss the creamy lemon Dijon sauce with our kale and tomatoes. And we are ready to plate. This dish came together in 20 minutes flat, which is something else that I love about the Green Chef recipes. I wish you could smell this. It smells amazing. Let's give it a taste. Okay, maybe just one more bite. Green Chef makes it super easy to customize your orders each week, whether you are keto, gluten-free, vegan, vegetarian, whether you eat Mediterranean, there are chef-inspired recipes for every eating style. To get started with Green Chef today, go to greenchef.com, use my code TheresaRene60 and get 60% off plus free shipping. You can also go to greenchef.com for more details. I do want to say a huge thank you to Green Chef for sponsoring this video. Now let's get back to the fashion. Another option for you if you just don't do sleeveless is to choose pieces that just skim the body like this next piece. The colors in this one really caught my eye because I just love vibrant color, especially in the summer. This one is by Scoop and it sells for $28 on the Walmart website. Now I do want to point out that although the fabric is 100% polyester, it fits so loose to the body and is super light on that I could not even tell it was polyester, which is very rare for me. This top has pretty vertical pleat details that give it shape, but it feels like it is barely touching the skin. It also has an easy flattering V neckline that is always my favorite, and the V neck is not too low. It also has this lettuce edge hemline that makes it just float over the body because it doesn't have a thick hem sewn in. I truly hope that you found these workarounds to sleeveless helpful. I know that it helps me because sometimes I just don't want to show my upper arms. Now I have some pieces to share with you that didn't make the cut. I was originally not going to show them at all, but then I thought, inquiring minds want to know. This first top looked really cute on the hanger in store, and I like the concept of it, but when I brought it home and tried it on, because of the conspicuous attached bows at the top of the shoulders, I honestly felt like Little Bo Peep in this one. Then I thought I should maybe go find my lost sheep. But just in case this top is your vibe, I'm going to tell you about it anyway. This top is by Tru. It sells for $13.98 and it comes in 4 colors. The fabric is a cotton polyester spandex blend. The body of the top is a knit stretch, and then the wide ribbons that form the bows are a crisp structured cotton. It does have easy care instructions, just machine wash cold and tumble dry. For me personally, besides feeling like the bows were way too prominent on the tops of the shoulders, I also felt like they made this top look a little bit juvenile, and it is by the brand Tru, so I was surprised by that. And of course, because of the placement of the bows, even if I wanted arm coverage, unfortunately because of the placement of the bows, you really can't wear anything over this because it just makes it bumpy on the tops of your shoulders. This one is going to be a hard pass for me, but if you like it and you think it's cute, go ahead and rock it. I'm going to go find my sheep now. Total random side note, both this top that I just love and the earrings that I'm wearing are from Temu. I have another Temu video coming up in a little bit, and I will be styling this, but I just wanted to mention this top because it is $5.17. I cannot believe the quality of this. The next piece that I have to share with you that I'm on the fence about is a summer dress by Tru. This one is on sale on the Walmart website anyway for $18.98, and it comes in a couple of colors. I think all of the colors are pretty and I really like the print. The fabric is 53% linen and 43% rayon. I do really like the feel of this fabric, I must say. The care instructions say to machine wash cold inside out and tumble dry, and then use a cool iron if needed. I personally don't iron anything. Let me know in the comments down below if you still pull out an ironing board and an iron. What I do instead with wrinkled garments is give them a quick steam with a handheld steamer. My favorite one is from Amazon. It heats up in seconds and knocks the wrinkles right out easily. I will link that one in the description box below if you're curious, but I digress. I did notice two variations of this dress at my local Walmart. The fabric is exactly the same, the print is exactly the same, but one tied at the top of the shoulders, giving me that little Bo Peep vibe again. So I do like how this one does not have ties at the shoulders, but it does have a small cutout in the back with a little bow detail. Now I don't mind this particular bow detail. I don't think it's over the top. However, if I put the topper from Amazon over this one, it would negate the back details, which might be a good thing or a bad thing. I just don't know. I'm really on the fence about this one, so be sure and let me know in the comments down below what you think of it. You ladies never steer me wrong, and I really value your opinion. Throughout the try-ons that you've been watching off to the side, I showed several accessories, so I'm just going to go through them very quickly. My two favorite handbags are from Amazon. Both of these are affordable. You see these in a lot of videos because they match absolutely everything. As far as the shoes, if you like a heel, my all-time favorite Amazon shoe is this one by Dream Pairs. I love a good espadrille wedge. I also really love this puffy sandal by Tru. This particular look is very much on trend right now, and these are surprisingly comfortable. If you want a flat shoe, I also have several options for you. This sparkling beauty is by Madden NYC. I picked this one up this year and I absolutely love it. One of your favorites based on the comments is the Footbed Thong sandal from Tru. And then I also show with a couple of the looks this chic raffia slide by Scoop. Now, if you watch my videos regularly, first and foremost, thank you. I appreciate each and every one of you. You know that I am obsessed with jewelry. I don't leave the house without earrings on. I may not have on makeup. I may not even have what I call outdoor pants on, but I will have on earrings. The ones that I'm really enjoying right now are by Tru because these go with everything. These are perfect if you don't want to put much thought into the earrings and that they're just going to go with anything that you have on. These are in gold tone. They have these pretty little drops. They just have the little discs on the back. These sell for just $3.88, and I wear these constantly. Another option if you're get that chair out of the frame. Now I am recording, aren't I? Every single time.
A few moments later.
Now if you like jewelry, I keep looking in the monitor. Why does my hairline look like Eddie Munster? Actually, I know why. I use that root cover-up spray that you can buy at Walmart. I think it's called Root Cover. And in order not to have it get on my makeup, I'll put a piece of paper or a piece of cardboard here so that I get a straight line. I think I made it too straight. Does anybody use that root cover besides me? Let me know in the comments down below. That stuff has saved my life. You know how some cars look like they're held together with duct tape and super glue? My hair is held together with dry shampoo and root cover spray. If you want to see even more affordable fashion for us ladies over 50, you're going to want to watch this video next. Also, if you're not already subscribed, I would like to personally invite you to do so. Just hit that red subscribe button down below. I would love to have you join this community. Thanks so much for spending a little bit of your day with me, and I will see you next time.